Assalamu alaikum. How are you, friends? So this is the lecture is about the empires, colonization, and the fall of empires. These are four pictures. Name this country: richest in the world, largest military center of the world, business and finance, strongest education system, world center of innovation and invention, currency, the world standard of value, highest standard of living. England in 19. Historical empires and imperialism, the policy of extending the rule or authority of an empire or nation over foreign countries, or acquiring and holding colonies and dependencies. Colonism or colonization, the policy or practice of wealthy or powerful nations maintaining or extending its control over other countries, especially in establishing settlement or exploiting resources. This is the map of Roman Empire. Economic basis: farming of wheat, olives, grapes, mining, fishing, raiding and trading. Lasting influence: language, architecture, engineering, law, politics, value, duty, piety, justice, gifts, spirituality. Spread of Christianity after 330 AD. Decline of Roman Empire from 400 to 5 AD. Western Roman Empire. Invention of Roman Empire. German mercenaries revolt and other invent Roman Empire. Muhammad and the rise of Islam. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Islam world under Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam from 6022 to 6032. Territory added the first four caliph 6032 to 6061. Territory added by Umayyad Caliph from 6061 7050. Military companions. Islamic world in 1500 AD. Lasting influence and geographic effect: slave trade routes, spreading of Islam, growth of cities, mathematics, engineering. Ottoman Empire from 1299 to 1923, one of the longest lasting empire in the history. Islamic jihad and state power intertwined in one man, the Sultan as protector of Islam. State-run education, law and judicial system. Lasting influence: Armenian genocide 1915 was one of the first modern systematic genocide. Islamic architecture, Turkish language, food. New Turkish nation in 1920 with collapse of Ottoman Turkish Empire. Ethnic violence and Armenian genocide as the empire collapse. After fall of Turkish Empire, the Middle East divided between France and Britain. Israel, Jewish homeland, Arab loyal to clans, tribes, families, Arabism. Continue border disputed. Vestige influence of Ottoman rule. Middle East conflict, Turkish language, food, race, Islam. This is the map of Ottoman Empire. The Mongol Empire. Economic base: shepherding, goat and sheep, horse based, raiding and trading. Lasting influence: religious tolerance, re-established trade route like Silk Route, horse based warfare, diplomatic immunity, free trade and paper currency. Chinese dynasties 150 BC to 12 CE. Economic basis: farming of wheat in north, rice in south, trade with silk. Lasting influence: language, architecture, food, Confucian values, honor, duty, family, state, education and bureaucracy. Law: breed of Buddhism, invention of gunpowder, gun and compass. Nagaro, Congo, Bantu diffusion. Proto-Bantu peoples originated in Cameroon, Nigeria and West Africa. They spread throughout the southern Africa from 1 to 100 1000 CE. Bantu peoples were agriculturalists who used metal tools. 19th century Zulu kingdom was part of the final Bantu expansion. Economic basis: the farming of bananas and later millet and sorghum. Lasting influence: Niger Congo language family, how Africa became black, speed of farming. Age of European discovery, exploration and colonization from 49 to 171. Bartholomew Dias Portugal 1488. Rounds Cape of God Hope. Columbus from 1492, Spanish Italian, first of four voyages to New World. Vasco da Gama Portugal from 1498, reaches India. Magellan Portugal from 1590, first circumnavigate. James Cook England from 1768 to 1791, voyages in Pacific, Polynesia and era of discovery. The geographic knowledge acquired was crucial to expansion of European political and economic power in the 16th century. European colonization affected huge swath of world 1492 to 20th century. This is United Kingdom. This is France Kingdom. This is Spain Kingdom. This is Netherlands Kingdom. And this is Russia. Green is Portugal Kingdom. European colonization effect huge swath. European colonization effect swath in 20th century from 1936, 1940, 1936. British Empire roughly from 1570 to 1970. 19 peak with 1/4 of Earth's land surface. The Commonwealth of Nations. 54 members, all formally part of British Empire. Queen Elizabeth, head of state, and 16 countries including UK, Canada, New Zealand, Jamaica, Ireland, Northern Ireland. 26 of 32 countries independent in 1921. Ulster remain province. Vestiges of British culture. Legal system: Anglican, Episcopalian Church. Language, education, cricket, beer. Economic pressures: naval technology, resources extraction, religion. Lasting influence: language, law, wine, Roman Catholicism, land ownership in large states. Vestige of French rule. Language in Africa, Canada, Pacific Island, wine, Roman Catholicism, Napoleonic legal system, art, cuisine. European colonization replaced indigenous agriculture and spread cash crop production. Indian tea plantation source, NGS. European colonization replaced indigenous agriculture and spread cash crop production. Russian Empire across Asia and into North America from 1721 to 1970. Vladimir Lenin from 1870 to 1924. Communist leader, control in 1917. Union of Soviet Union Republic. In 19 collapse of Soviet Union, USSR subdivided into 15 Union republics. Third most populous state, 17% of Earth's land surface. Russia largest republic. Russian acculturation. Vestige of Russian rule. Language, food, tendency to autocratic leader and government control. Russia Empire sphere of influence. Suez common economic geography, economic self-sufficiency, collective agriculture, heavy industry, lagging light industry, consumer good, high-tech product, centralized state control, little private prosperity, natural resources, mean of production, environmental protection as important than